RoyalCert International Registrars is an independent assessment and certification body offering value-added services worldwide. Our values: strong customer relations. Thousands of customers from different industries. We don't just touch our customers, we weave a relationship in coherence with their needs. Our collaboration with 70% of our customers continues for over 10 years. International reputation. RoyalCert, based in Germany, operates in 25 countries, ranging from Korea to USA, and more are being added year by year. RoyalCert is the international business partner of major brands such as KFQ and DNVGL. Value-added service. Design-oriented value creation is the core idea of our services. RoyalCert auditors with more than 20 years of inspecting and auditing experience. Over 300,000 hours of total audit experience. Wide range of services. Certification services. System, product, personnel certification. Inspection and second-party audits. Pre-shipment inspection. Second-party and special audits. Tax audits and consultancy. Tax audit, corporate finance, mergers and acquisitions, governance risk and compliance. Lift and technical control, periodic inspection, process and installation inspection, training. RoyalCert Academy. Expert trainers working across the world who can transfer knowledge, skills, and tools your team needs to embed standards of excellence into your organization. Trust-based confidentiality. Accreditations. Reliable trade all around the world.